Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna have a trading plan, or it's better to say trading tip for long positions. How can we just enter and accompany the trend, uptrend specifically, because in this video we're going to only focus on uptrends and buying positions. I'll be so thankful if you like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel, or even send to your friends to use this trading tip easily, because it's so easy and so beneficial. Let's go on chart from now. Okay, this is gold chart, XAU USD. XAU again, US dollar. And you can easily use this tip for your long positions. Against this tip, there is a tip for short positions. You can use it, but I cannot put it inside this video because it would be so long, and I would create another video. As you may know, it has some points that must be indicated detail by detail. That's why I just create another video for short positions, for using this tip in short positions, and now we are just focusing on long positions. This is the live chart of gold. It's so good to start from here to see what's happening in the live chart and in live sessions. This indicator that you can see on my chart is just trading sessions. I just turned it off. It's not something special, don't be worried. Okay, just imagine that you found a specific and important area of support. As I have found it before here, it's a area of support here. Okay, this is it's not an example, this is actually an area of support that I found it before. That's why I have my structure on this chart, and even I have a live trading position on the chart that the TP is heated easily. Okay, now we have an area of support here that you must find it by your own. A important or a key level of support. Okay, it's your duty to find it by your own, and it is easy. Everyone knows how to find it, but the problem is that when we find a trend several times, we have stop losses, we will lose money, and after a while we can see, okay, the price started to move on our desired route, on our desired trend. And if we were still in the position, our TP would be heated easily. Okay, but we are just stopped out. That's the big problem that I'm damn sure you just experienced it before, such as me, such as other traders. It doesn't matter, professional or amateur traders, doesn't matter. Everyone just experienced such a bad thing. I wanted to use some slang. Okay, such a bad thing. Okay, but after finding a support, a key level of support, what should we do to just enter, to just begin our buying positions with big money, with organizations, with big banks, and just be following the trend from this key level? Okay, and let's focus on our key level. What's happening on our key level? It's just collided at it, and we have a good reaction here. This reaction just could have a higher high, as you can see on this level. Let me to indicate them. We had a higher high. Okay, from this point we're just aware that, okay, the buyers are getting more stronger. Okay, that's why we are just focused. We do nothing. We do nothing. And what's happening after that? Lower high somehow, lower low, lower high, and boom. This is another dumping that just haunted the previous low. Okay, is this our point? No. Is this our uh, trading tip for going for line? No, this is not our trading tip. We just investigated the price action in the live chart. But what is our trading key? What can we do in this tip, and how can we go for line positions? Just focus from here. After hitting the higher high, such as these points here and here, just focus on the top of arrow. We are looking for trading ranges, just trading range. What trading range can you see here? Maybe this can be a kind of trading range, a kind of comparison or trading range. It doesn't matter, you don't need the equal lows, you don't need equal highs for your trading range, a kind of comparison. A trading range can be estimated as a spike wave to the up or to the low. You can use the low swing, upswing, low swing, and consider it as your trading range. For example, this one can be considered as a trading range. Sorry, this one. Just this. Or a trading range can be considered as a comparison. Or a trading range can be a casual trading range that we know. Okay, doesn't matter. A kind of trading range and comparison. Just follow my mouse. Okay, this is a kind of trading range, and we have another one here. And okay, and so on. And so on. What is the point that we are looking for? It is that hunting a trading range from the low level of our trading range. Is this kind of hunting? Yes. And after confirmation, we can have a long position on it with the stop loss below this hunting and confirmation, or below the previous low on the most important wave that can be here. Okay, but I don't like this confirmation. Maybe you enter with, after learning this tip, maybe you enter here as a line position, and easily, maybe after taking profit or before it, your stop loss will be hit. Doesn't matter, a stop loss is a part of trading. And just we are looking for hunting the low of our trading range or our comparison. Okay, this trading range is just broken from the low. Okay, we are just looking for hunting and confirmation for going for line. There's no confirmation here, and boom, we had a spike to the new low. Okay, and what happened after the spike? We just came back, and this spike is compensated easily. That's why our vision is not changed. Our key level, our support level is still working. That's why I'm looking for trading range 2 at the continuing of the chart. Where can I have a trading range? Maybe here. It's a kind of trading range, yes. And what happened here? This is a kind of stop hunt or kind of liquidity hunt that we just broke the low of our trading range and just came back into our trading range. After this confirmation, I can go for line. See, we broke here, we broke even here, and after confirmation I'll go for line, maybe with the stop loss of here or here, and you can see what happened just here. Okay. And again, this is a kind of trading range. Just wait for this setup. It's so powerful. We just broke this low and just continued, and we have a confirmation here. This confirmation is simultaneously happened with this trend line, the third collision on this trend line that is so important. After seeing this, you can just enter your trading position easily, and we're going for explosion to the line. We have another trading range here. That the hunting, liquidity hunting, is just happened with few pips. I don't like it, but because the pips are so few, that's why maybe I don't enter this position. But if you focus on it, you can see this is following your trend line, and maybe if I see such a confirmation, I will buy it here after getting some confirmation for going higher. But my live trading was on this area, and my TP is totally hidden here on this trend line easily. Okay, let's have some more. This was the live chart, and finding this kind of setup is so difficult on a live chart. Okay, but I wanted you to just focus on the live chart, that you can see, okay, we can find it easily. Even my trading position was just happened here and followed by TP. Okay, we can have another example on buying, only on buying from the crucial support levels. Let me find the crucial support level. Maybe here, yes. Here is a crucial support level. I know this say about 2607. What's happening here? What's happening here? From here, just we consider it. Okay. We had high, lower high. Our lower high is just heated here. Okay, we just follow our setup. It's not a setup, it's just like a trading tip, as I told you before. Okay, now I'm looking for my trading range. How can we trading range after that? Just a kind of trading range. Just you can imagine here at this point, we have a liquidity hunting, and what happened after that? This is another kind of trading range that we can follow here. Liquidity hunting, but maybe without confirmation. I can show you the liquidity hunting, and as the social media shows you, okay, see what happened here, we could make huge money, blah blah. But maybe there's no confirmation for a logic trader, for a major trader, because it suddenly just happened. Okay, but before here we had a confirmation. Okay, we are just looking for another trading range. This can be a trading range, I told you before, a spike one. This also can be considered as a trading range, and the mixture of both. And this can be counted as a liquidity hunting, as heated below this low, and what happened? Boom. At the continuing here, liquidity hunting, boom. Here we had same thing, but maybe it's not obvious on our vision. What happened here? It's a kind of trading range. This is also a kind of trading range, but the hunting doesn't work here. But it was working below this low, and boom. Maybe your TP is hit, maybe your stop loss, Stop loss is a part of trading. Okay, and again, this all can be considered as a trading range. Hunting, confirmation, boom. Okay, why I'm following several trading ranges and showing you this trading tip for a big wave? Because my support was a key level. Your support must be a key level. Maybe my support, if I follow it, I just follow it to the 1 hour time frame. This is 5 minutes time frame. If I follow it, I'm almost sure that it is also a key level in 4 hour time frame. This key level is so important. I was damn sure with investigating several parameters that this level is so crucial for price, and price can have a good return, specifically in 5 minutes time frame to the up. Okay, that's why. Okay, I just indicated my point. I just marked. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame and just follow this trading tip for buying. That's why I can count on it. For example, at least 3 positions with the same tip. When I have my TP, I just, for example, I have risk to reward 1, 2, 4. Okay, it's enough. I don't follow the remaining wave of the chart because, as I know myself, I'm somehow a scalper. I just want to take my money, take my profit from the chart as soon as possible and drop the remaining. But as you can see, just continue it till here and correction and again. Okay, we could just continue our action just till here. And again, it must be counted as a crucial or non-crucial key level and be investigated more. But until this level, we could do the same. But I don't want to do this. The only thing I want you to do is just identifying the key levels of support and just focus on it to have a higher high. And after having a higher high and after seeing the power of buyers, you just follow this trading tip. Why this trading tip just happens? Because when a trading range happens after a dumping, and we are now placed on a, on a key level of support after big dumping, still there are some retail traders or robots or even amateur traders that they are thinking about going short, about selling. They're not making mistakes, they're just trader. But believe me, in this trading range, specifically the robots are looking for breaking this trading range to the up to fulfill their sell stop and going for sell. Retail sellers, retail traders or amateur traders again set their stop loss, or they're just waiting to break this trading range to just enter this breakout to the low. But when this amount of selling positions, selling orders is accumulated below the trading range, this is a good victim. This is a good feed for big buyers orders. Okay, that's why they just make such a trading range to accumulate selling orders for their buyer orders. Their buyer orders can be fulfilled easily, but if there is not such a liquidity, they cannot buy more. That's why they do such a fake structure. That's why. And I hope you can put this trading tip inside your trading plan and just use it. Have a vision. If you don't use it, doesn't matter. Just have a vision on it. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel. Even send this video for your friend to use. And if you have some question, you can ask it in comment section. I would answer it in person as soon as possible. And in next episode, I'm gonna create another episode regarding to a trading tip regarding to selling positions. Okay, and but it has some points, extra points that must be mentioned. If you give me energy, I would create this episode as soon as possible. Thank you again. Thank you for sharing your time. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.